Hi everyone, Siavash here, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can set up an appointment reminder for your Jane integration with GoHighLevel. So if you have set up the integration via Clinical Connect, you should have these custom fields already coming in. The one that we are going to use is what we call upcoming appointment reminder start time. The reason there's names like that, it's because it has a specific format that allows you to actually book that appointment inside the GHL calendar and also send appointment reminders. And I'm just going to show you how you can actually use this field. All right, so let's go back. Now you have two things that you can do. You can either have a simple appointment reminder automation recipe that you can use inside GHL. So you know when you go to automation and you click on create a workflow, and you can say, hey, I want to use a recipe. And then it says, okay, what recipe you want to use. There's one of them that is recipe for appointment reminder and confirmation, appointment booking and confirmation. You can use that, or you can just basically use that specific field and just send a reminder. So either way, it works, depending on if you want your calendar on GHL to kind of be similar to what you have on Jane or not. All right, I'm going to show you both ways on how you can do it. So first of all, let's say that we want to actually put that put that appointment into our GHL account, how we do it. So first of all, you need to have a calendar created in GHL. So if you go to calendar settings, make sure that you have like a calendar set up. Doesn't matter what type of calendar it is, just make sure that you have one calendar set up. And then we can go into automations and we can create a workflow and we can say start from scratch. Now, what you can do, you can choose a trigger and say, hey, if the contact created or contact change, and the change is in the upcoming appointment reminder. If I can find it, I think by typing reminder, it would be better. There you go. Reminder has changed. Save the trigger. And there's this simple action from high level booking appointment. So you can click on that and it will bring it up. Book an appointment. You got to choose your calendar. That's the calendar that I just showed you that we have. And for the start date and time, we want to click on these three dots and it says dynamic. And as you can see, it says it needs to be in that format. That's why we name it like that. And all you need to do, click on this, contacts, and if you search for reminder, it will bring up that custom fields, appointment reminder, goes in there. You can choose the member as well if you want to. And you just hit on save action. And usually what I do, I keep them in here for like 2 days. So sometimes every time that we send this update, GHL, even if you put a filter on contact change, sometimes it just keeps calling it, so you don't want to keep booking them. So I just put a like a 2 days kind of thing in here, so they sit in this workflow and it doesn't actually go changed. So you can do this and then save. Obviously, you want to make sure that you publish that. So this is basically gonna put them into the calendar on GHL, and then you can use the simple follow-ups to actually, from the recipe that I've showed you, you can use that to basically do the reminder. Now, for those of you that don't want to use the calendar, you don't want to actually book them on the calendar in GHL, you don't care, you just want to send the reminders, you can do so easily. So let's go back to this and we can keep the triggers the same. But what we need to do is we need to get rid of this guy. And instead of that, we're gonna set an event. So we're gonna set event start date. And the start date is going to be a custom field. And in this custom field, we're going to use the same thing. We're going to use the reminder. Uh, Upcoming reminder start time. We're going to use that. We're going to save action. And then what we're going to do is basically we're going to say, hey, wait. And the time delay is going to be event appointment time. So this is going to be like 1 day before, 1 day before appointment. And then you send an SMS. That's a 1 day reminder. And then you can send a 1 hour reminder as well. So you can say another wait, and this is going to be the same thing, event, and it's going to be 1 hour. And then you can put the SMS in here. It's going to be a 1 hour reminder, whatever you can write in the text there. Now you can make this as sophisticated as you want. I'm not going to show it in this video, but like for example, for those of you that have cancellation policy and those kind of things, you can actually build it within the automation. So you can say, hey, this is your 24-hour notice. If you want to cancel without any penalty, just reply cancel. And then basically you can notify your admins, staff by SMS or whatever that, hey, this patient wants to cancel. They said cancel, and you just go ahead and cancel it inside Jane and basically have all of those things automated within your follow-up. So this one was the how you can actually do the appointment triggers and those kind of things. Very similar to other integrations that we have for other platforms, but I'm going to do a separate video for those other platforms as well. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. See you in the next one. Bye.